Hello, it's Daredevil Priscilla out here with the Thunder, and it's a 11 by 14 inch canvas. And I have some leftover colors, and I want to do something a little odd. Go figure. I'm going to use, as long as I can stay here, I'm going to use some of my neon multi-surface acrylic from Floetrol and continue on with colors that I like and not worry too much about doing much of anything else. So what I'm going to start with is just adding colors that I have plenty of. And hope that I can create a color scheme that I like. And I don't mind crossing them over. I am looking for another color. Oh, there's a color I like. That fixes everything. That's the purple flash from Deco-Art. I'm going to grab some Anitas. Ooh, I'm going to grab my turquoise too. My color shifting turquoise from Deco-Art. Alright, so far so good. I need this to be quick. I am looking for, yes, I'm not sure that's the color I really want, but it will do. Maybe I really want to get brazen and take a chance. Yeah, that's not going to hurt my feelings any, I don't think. I didn't put any yellow in there. I guess we're just going for full rainbow on. Full on rainbow. I'll try and put that someplace it won't be as dangerous. Okay, so what else? I'm looking for the white metallic from Anitas, and it should be right there, and it is. Oh, I still want some green. I didn't put any black in there. Here's my green gold, which always makes me happy, honestly. So now I'm going to use up my paint. Actually, I think I'm going to put a skewer in there first, so it's a little mixed up. If this works, it'll be really nice. If it doesn't, I'll have learned a lesson the hard way. So I'm just looking for the places that there's holes in the pattern. And I could probably stop the pour, the ribbon pour, if I wanted to, by putting my finger there. That was a lump. Let me see what else I can get out of here. I'm just going to put it right down. There is some enamel in there, which might help make some cells. Now I'm going to use an edge catcher, which is nothing more than a sheet of plastic that was the front protective panel. If I want anything else, I might want a little bit more. There we go. You watch, I'll have so much paint I'll need to pour it off onto something and have to do one more. Alright, so here's my edge catcher, and here goes nothing. I always wanted to use solid colors along with some ribbon poured colors, you know, that are dirty, and see if I could make something I liked. I could take all that paint right off the edge catcher and press it against the edge of the canvas. Yes, and I did. It'd be nice if this would work. I always think if I use beautiful colors, it can hardly not work. Now, whatever's on my edge catcher, I can always take off with a spatula. And maybe I want to do that right now since I have pretty colors. Stuff in my way. It sounds like the thunder is not coming too much closer. I hope. I'll use all of that color right there. Because it really doesn't matter at this point. And I'm liking all of that. That is fun. And whatever else goes on my edge catcher will be perfect, covering my edges, as well as what's on my tile. And then I will look for any spaces. I'm going to rock my edge catcher again. Send my colors right back in there. I'm going to take one of my smaller spatulas. Princeton Art Tool Catalyst. Art Tool. I think I said that. Mini blades. That's the word I'm looking for. So you can find a lot of the things I use, probably not all of them, on the Linktree Amazon link. It's under the Linktree right under the video. And then look for Amazon. And if you shop there, you help me out at no added cost to you. And I'm down to 10% of what I was a year ago, so I really appreciate you helping me out. Now, at this point, I could really do a couple of things. One is torch, but the other one is taking a basting brush and adding a few marks, which I thought might not be a good idea, but I'm kind of liking the way it looks. So I'm just ever so gently dragging a few things here and there. Not all the way across even. I'm quiet because I'm focused. There, I'm pretty happy with most of that. I am going to torch to release some of the bubbles caught in the paint. Kind of want a little bit pink to break up that magenta. There, I'm okay with that, but I think that means I need some on this side too. Alright, so I'm going to try and stop myself right now. And I told you any of the paint that I've got on my tile or on my edge catcher will go over the edges. And it will lead the other paint that's above it down. And I'm actually very well covered. So this is just a really simple process, unless you don't know how to use an edge catcher, in which case I guarantee if you buy yourself a package of 16 by 20 inch canvases from Artist Loft, from Michaels, most generally, even the black ones lately, have one of those 16 by 20 inch sheets of acetate there. So I love you guys. There are over 500 of you subscribed here, but my other channel has over 87,000. And anything that I might see that I want to lead away, I can use a skewer. That looks more like a creature now. This is too much fun. I don't think I can stop. So, I bet I can if I could work that magenta. Ooh, that made some nice cells too. Lots and lots of fun. Great colors. I see one more I want to fix. Okay. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I think if I'd have tipped it all off, I would have had tremendous cells, but there are still some cells in there, and I like it as it is anyway. I think if I had put a layer of paint down on the canvas first and put stripes on after, I could have had a much easier job of tipping it off without leaving any spaces. Yep, I'm never done till I'm done. Even though I always tell you you should never ever manipulate anything after you've torched. It doesn't seem to stop me from trying it anyway, so don't be like me if you can possibly help it. There, she said, hoping to stop herself. I love you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching my videos longer. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. Look for the Teespring link underneath the link tree, or go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group and see the stuff that I've made there, which is all over print leggings and t-shirts, and it's pretty darn cool, if I do say so myself. Look for Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for anybody looking to see what products I'm offering that I bother to get around to on my page. Is that canvas? It was. I'm glad I found it. So I love you guys. There is a drawing for paintings. If you want to be a contributor to the studio through PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically included. If you send me, if it goes through PayPal, if it goes through PayPal or Patreon and you use the icons on my channel header or the links below the link tree, I will send you a copy of what's available that month. And if you want to check out what's available on the drawing, look on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Priscilla Batzell Art, for the exhibition video at the end of any video, and it will share with you what's up for grabs for whoever's name gets drawn in the third week or at around the end of the third week. Always depends on whether I got enough money for shipping or not. I never get more people than, like, the maximum number of people I've ever had in a drawing is like 20. So just know that you're totally helping me out, and I want to say thank you to everybody who has. Yes, I'm still messing, and I'm okay with that. And I love you guys, and I will see you anon. That's pretty cool. I'm okay with that. Bye for now. Priscilla out.